Yo, what's up, heavy hitters? THOR has another challenge. You see how big this snowplow is. Let's see what THOR is gonna do for this steak. So, this is what we have, a nice steak. Look at that, THOR. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, he almost got that John off of me. Let's see, THOR, you ready? You ready? Yeah. All right, let's see. Yo, end the video. Y'all ready? THOR, come here, boys.
Go ahead.
Come on. Yo, get up there, THOR. Come on, boy. Come on. There we go. Yeah! Let's go. Here, THOR. Here. Yeah. Listen. Hey, heavy hitter dog kennels. Hey, people, take care of your dogs. We're making malicious breeds. I said malicious breeds. Let's ball. Come on, THOR. Let's ball. Let's go. Come here, baby THOR. That's my boy. Come here. That's my boy. Baby THOR. Baby THOR. Yeah. The baby. Yeah.